Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick tech tutorial. Today, we're diving into something super handy for 2025. How to switch Google Sheets to dark mode. If you're like me, staring at a bright screen late at night can be a real eye strain, so dark mode is a game changer for productivity and comfort. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps in just a couple of minutes, so you can get back to your spreadsheets without the glare. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Google account and have Google Sheets open in your web browser. We're assuming you're using a modern browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge, as dark mode works best there. Now, click on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the menu. That's your gateway to settings. Next, scroll down and select Settings from the menu. Once you're in Settings, look for the Appearance or Theme section. Here, you'll see an option for dark mode or something similar, depending on your browser's version. Simply toggle the switch to enable it. If you don't see it directly, don't worry. Google has been rolling out more consistent dark mode options across their apps in 2025, so you might need to check under General Settings. If dark mode isn't available in Google Sheets yet for your device, a quick workaround is to enable it at the system level. On Windows, go to Settings, Personalization, Colors and select Dark Mode. On Mac, head to System Preferences, General and choose Dark for Appearance. This should automatically apply to Google Sheets if your browser supports it. Once you've made the change, head back to your spreadsheet and voila! Everything should now be in a sleek dark theme. It's that simple. Pro tip: if you're using the Google Sheets mobile app, just tap the three dots in the top right, go to Settings, and flip the dark mode switch there. There you have it. Enjoy working in the dark without the harsh lights. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.